If you need to recover your Commerce and Development Bank Switzerland account without access to your email, follow these steps for a quick resolution. Step 1. Gather your information. Collect all relevant information related to your account, such as your account number, personal identification details, and any transaction history that may help verify your identity. Step 2. Contact customer support. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify your identity. Be prepared to answer security questions or provide identification documents as requested by the customer support representative. This step is crucial for confirming that you are the rightful account holder. Step 4. Request alternative recovery options. Ask the customer support representative about alternative methods for account recovery, such as using a registered phone number or answering security questions that you set up previously. Step 5. Follow up. If your account recovery is not resolved immediately, make sure to follow up with customer support. Keep a record of your communication and any reference numbers provided for future inquiries. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your account efficiently. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to ask for further assistance from the bank.